Perfect, 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 perfect.
Alright, we back out here with the car again, doing some more work on it. Today I'm going into the distributor, doing the advanced lockout kit install. This is the one I got right here, made by F.a.s.t. There's the part number. So I'm gonna be doing that. I'm going ahead and take this air cleaner off, pop the cap off, and I'll bring y'all back in. Alright, so back where I need to be. I ain't got my cameraman, so I'm gonna have to rock it like this right here. So anyway, got the cap and rotor off, so whenever the motor sees RPM, it advances time, throws the weights out like that, and advances the timer. So what I'm going to be doing is removing these springs, removing these two weights, and the kit came with a plate that comes across here and locks all this together. That would keep your timer from being advanced when it sees RPM. It locks it out. So go ahead and do that real quick, and I'll bring y'all back in. And alright. I should have known something was gonna happen. Anyway, whenever I was prying this middle bar here up, one of the studs broke off. You can see right here. This one here is still in. I slid the clip back in there, so, but it's not gonna move. Not gonna move. Just got one clip holding it. But I'm gonna send it. So that's where we at with it. So we're gonna see how this thing play out. Alright, I just broke these two screws loose, but I say you wanna back these things out here, save the screws, and undo them two wires right there, because whenever you get ready to pull it, it stretches it sometime. And got one up out of there. On up out of there, playboy. Alright, I got a little bit ahead of myself again, just started working, but I did get this thing out though, this vacuum pod. I had to fight with it because mine, like I said, it's, you can see this thing is old, from 1977. This thing older than me. But got that out and went ahead and put the actual locking plate in, and just gotta finish putting that tighten that last screw down. And matter of fact, I'm going to plug these back up before I forget. Plug these back up for my MSD heat, and this MSD heat gives you extra fire, and it comes with a rev limiter. So if you don't want to spend that money and get that MSD box, the 6AL or the 6A, which I'm probably still gonna get anyway, you can get this. Alright, got them plugged back up. Alright, so pretty much gonna wrap it up for the night. I come out here in the morning and get some heat in the motor and everything. Only thing I gotta do is just throw the rotor and cap back on. That's nothing. That's 2 screws and 4 J clamps, so that's nothing. I don't need to put that on camera. Yeah, come out here in the morning, get some heat in the motor, throw the timer light on it, and set that, and we should be good. Just a quick overview. Oh yeah, real quick, I don't think I put it in a video yet. I did put some street tires on the car. Them are Milestar Street Steels 255 7015s. Put them on the rallies. It's 30 inches tall, 10 inches wide from sidewall to sidewall, so it helps out with that 456 gear a lot. Like I said, 40 mile an hour at about 2200 RPM. Can't ask for no better. Alright, so we're back. It's been a couple days. Finally got the distributor and everything wrapped up. I got the timer set at 36 degrees total timing. So that's done. We ain't got to worry about the vacuum advance kicking in, adding another 10 degrees. So got that locked out. That timing, that distributor lockout kit is a good thing to buy. You got a vacuum advance distributor. So best $17 I spent. But anyway, as you can see, we got the car jacked up. That means there's some more parts rolling in. Some suspension. We're going to go ahead and hit this suspension now. And front, we're going to hit the front first, then we're going to hit the back. But y'all see where we at. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.